I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a basic website in HTML, PHP, JavaScript, whatever you guys want to do. It's going to be part one, and this is Ivan here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my code writer. I have that app that I downloaded from Microsoft. You can download that. Just go into Microsoft Store, type in code writer. That's the only app in there for it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to new HTML file, and then I'm going to create, so what this means doc type HTML. Let's just go over this. What doc type HTML means is it's referring to the doc type HTML. In later versions of HTML, it used to be like doc type HTML version 4.0. Now in HTML5, you just have to do that. And that is, and this is just the head, the title page, YouTube tutorial, body. Let's add a paragraph. Actually, let's go down again. Let's add a header. The header 1. Let's make it as big as possible. Let's put our paragraph tags in there. Now let's start writing our name of our website, YouTube tutorial. Join today. And then what we can do is we can make a div class, or you can make a div ID. Depends. Div class, it goes like this. This class for CSS. And then div ID would be just a dot. Or actually, the div ID would be this. The div class is just a dot in CSS. I'll get to that later in the tutorial. And then div class equals navbar. Let's make our navbar. Let's make our home page. So our ref equals home.php. Let's actually make it simple. Let's just make it index.html home, and then copy that, paste that, tab that in, and then make this one account, make this one newsfeed, and then make this one forms. Okay. So basically what I just did is, now what we need to do is now we need to make this account.html, newsfeed.html, and then forms.html. So if we save this, desktop, new folder, YouTube tutorial, I'm going to save it as, and then make it index.html. And we go there, we open it in a browser. We go there, open with the browser. I'm going to use Opera. And then there we go. Now what we need to do now is we need to go to the head, and we need to Control Z that. We don't want to do that. We need to go link rel equals style sheet type equals text slash CSS ref equals the location of your saved styles, styles.css, and that'll be on the desktop. So you save this, you make a new CSS file in the nav bar. What we want for the nav bar is it to be at the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to go width 100%, height to be 50 pixels, background to be black because we have a white background, and then copy this navbar A, and then this navbar A is doing all the text, changing the text, and then we're going to go display block. Let's just go inline flex. So you save this. Use your tutorial styles.css, and then we go to our when you open back up our project index. Alright, that's the right one. And then there we go, we have the basis of our now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go under this nav bar, we're gonna do another, we're actually gonna make this nav bar the first one in the series. This is a little bit different there. And then there we go. That's our basic tutorial for today, and then part 2 is going to be how to add input and how to add login features to the website.